Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Chromecast from sending data to Google.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to the profile icon, click on that once, and that brings you this list. Or you just hover to it, it brings you the list. Now just go down that list and go to your services, and now you can turn off all these services. So as you can see, you have been told that your choice will be saved and used for content recommendations when you sign in to your Google account. Now you may have Amazon Prime Video turned on. You may have other services as well which are turned on. What you need to do is to come to this list, toggle to each of them and click turn off. If you have multiple, toggle all of them off, and that will ensure that your choices are not saved and will not be used for content recommendations, meaning they will not be sent to Google to improve the service. So if you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel. If that was useful, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.